Check it out. So it's currently Thursday afternoon. The plan right now is to walk up Table Mountain and hopefully fly off the top tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go with my dad and with Luke. Got some food, water, shoes, sleeping bag, everything inside here. It's gonna be hopefully an epic mission on the top of the mountain tonight and an awesome flight down in the morning. Let's go.
Also has like weird stuff in it.
Weird stuff. It's called Revive. Is it not reviving you?
Don't watch a boiling pot. What is it? A watch pot never boils.
A watch pot never boils.
Yeah, don't watch it.
So let's just check.
No. So halfway up, we've been walking for about 45 minutes and we've got about 45 minutes left, I guess. Gang. What a crew, what a crew.
My hope is swaying, my heart's afraid.
The temperature is plummeting and the vibes are doing the opposite. Look at all those birds, man! Yoo-hoo!
Through a perfect storm, clouds will pass and float along until I feel the sun.
Hell yeah. So it's currently the next morning. What an awesome night. It was full of banter, good vibes. Always lacquer in the MCSA hut. Had the fire going over there. Everybody was sitting around here. Storytelling, mountain expeditions, accidents, rescues. Now the plan is to, as soon as we finish cleaning the place, start walking towards the takeoff and hopefully fly off the top.
What a good way to start a Friday.
Oh yes.
Good morning. We're here to have a great time.
That's cool. So I was just thinking in my sleeping bag last night, how lucky am I to be doing a mission like this with a mate and my dad. That is so cool. It's always so special. So it's gotten warm enough for the shirts to come off. Now the pace is gonna pick up. Takeoff is just over there, and this is the beautiful Echo Valley. What better way to spend Friday morning, low key? What the fuck? Hiking with the hopes of flying, maybe not flying, but hopefully flying. Sounds good enough for me. 345 meters of climbing since the hut, and now we're about to break over the lip and have a view towards Plakterklip, cable car station, and the front edge. You can see McClear's beacon off to the right. So now we've got to do a big loop this way and then right. What the fuck? There's the cable car station, just over there. One of the things we did yesterday was let a couple people know that we're going to be on takeoff this morning. And as timing happens to have it, Luke and I are here. And how's that for timing, eh? Lekker, man.
Hey, it's been a minute.
How you doing?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
Hey, this is good. I think it's absolutely perfect. So this is the other launch option. Either we're gonna go from there, or we set up just over here and we're gonna run off this edge, and I think that this is gonna be the better option.
Be a bright red rose come burst in the concrete. Be a cartoon heart. Light a fire, light a fire, flame in my heart. We'll run riot. We'll be close.
Okay, now we're gonna get Dad off the mountain and then my turn. Pull it up, and turn. Right brake. Yes, sir!
It's
Look at that. That is so sick. Table Mountain in a nutshell, baby. Woo!
Let 'em take control. Yes, I feel a little bit nervous. Yes, I feel nervous and I can't relax. How come they're out to get us? How come they're out when they don't affect us? On a concrete canvas, on a concrete canvas, I go make them run. It's really get so. It's really get so.
How cool?
Matt,
Beautiful, eh?
that is incredible.
Fucking, how beautiful is it flying along the front face of Table Mountain over the city? What a mission! What a mission!
The back of it.
That's that. Done and dusted.